Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Tableau video, and today guys I'm gonna show you how to create a line chart on Tableau. So let's do it together. So guys, first of all, I would like to say that I'm gonna use the Superstore sample, data sample from Tableau, okay? And then I just open a new sheet and I will build our line chart over here. First of all, I will click with the right button of my mouse over here and the title and then hide title, because I just want to use all the space that I have over here. And then I'm gonna move into the left to check my dimensions and my measures. So as you can see here, we have category, order date, and segment as dimension, and we have sales target and just a sales target count instead some account of sales target. Okay, so we can say we have only one measure, and also we have three different kind of dimensions. So category, order date, and segment. We are here guys to build a line chart, which means that if we move into the right side and click once on show me, then moving down to the line charts over here, we can see that there is a little bit shadow above the chart, which means that this chart is not available to use yet. Okay, we're gonna do something in order just to be allowed to select this line chart. When you move across these three charts over here, these three line charts, you can see the requirements on this part over here. Okay guys, so I will just stop my mouse over here in the first line chart, and then you can see that I need to use at least one data as dimension and one measure or more measures. Okay, but why we cannot use different kind of dimensions such as category or even segment? It's because line charts are built to use as an evolution of time. Okay, so line charts are built to show data in an evolution, in a time frame. Okay, which means that we have to use it in a combination of measures and dates. Okay, otherwise you cannot use. If you want to use category or segment, I recommend you to use bar chart instead line chart. By the way, I have the video to show you how to create a bar chart on Tableau in our YouTube channel, so just go there and check the Tableau playlist for beginners and you will see how to build a bar chart, okay, in order to use different kind of dimensions. So for line chart, I will just select order date and then drag and drop as columns, okay, because I want to see my dates and align. All right, then you will see as a result that Tableau just put it year as the information, but we can change as much as we wanted. Okay, if you click it on this arrow over here, then you can moving down a little bit and you can choose how to show these dates. Okay, in our case I'm gonna use the date, the completed date, so no, just the month and year. Okay, I will select this month and year over here. So now I have all the months and the years combined. Okay, now I'm just showing the date in this order. All right guys, then to conclude our configuration we have to select with measure. So I will just take sales target over here and drop in row. Okay, again drop it, and instantaneously Tableau just create line charts as you can see in the right side. So I will select this first one. I want to use this one, and then okay, doesn't matter in this case, doesn't matter because Tableau will work with both in the same sense. The difference between this first one and the other one, it's because this line chart is for continuous dates. For example, if you move in here and just classify this month as a discrete, now you have like each point of your line as 1 month. Okay, like really straightforward. And if you just select over here to be continuous, Tableau will create like forecast, like a tenants line. All right, so that's the difference between continuous and discrete. So the difference between these two charts is when you use discrete or continuous. In our case, I'm using just one dimension, so it doesn't matter which of them we use it as line chart, because both Tableau will works at the same way with only one line, because I have only one dimension and only one measure. Okay, as you can see here, we have like two columns dividing two line charts, which means that we can use more than one dimension, or we can use more than one measure to combine in the line chart. All right, so I will just click it again here. I will put it discrete because discrete works better for my data, and then I will just design a little bit this line chart. Okay, first of all, I want to just put this line chart as my full screen. How can I just organize this? Moving a little bit up over here. Instead of standard, I will put it entire view, and then Tableau just organize the content in order to complete your screen. Okay, then I want to just change this title. I don't want to use this title anymore because I have the months and years over here, so my users will check the informations over here. Okay, under the chart. Not, I don't need the title just to reinforce the idea of month and year. So I will just click with the right button in my mouse and hide field labels for columns. So guys, when we moving through the line, we can see each point, and also we can see a tooltip that describe the dimension and the measure. So I can see the month of order date and also sales target. I can change these descriptions if I just moving a little bit here and click once on tooltip, then just change a little bit this part. So here I will put just month, and over here I will put it just sale, for example, and then I can just change a little bit the size of this. For example, I will put it both in 12, size 12, and also I can change the font. So for example, if I want to use it Arial, for example, Arial over here, Arial over here. Instead just clicking there, you can just in the drop down, you can just type the font over here and you will see the result. Okay, and also you can change the color. For example, in this case I will put black, this one I will put it black either, and the informations I will just put it like this one. When you will see these symbols and this structure on Tableau, means that this is dynamic. Okay, depending of the content that you selected, you filter, this content will appear over here. In sales will appear a sum of your measure, and in dimension the month from your dimension. Okay, so I will click on that in OK, and the results I can see it in my tooltip right now. Okay guys, this is a little bit weird because as you saw previously, I just changed the size of the description, not the content. So if you want to just fix it, just click here, select all, and then for example everything in 11 size. Now I have a better content. Okay, also guys, we can change the number in my visualization. For example, this is sales and I want to put it in US dollar. Okay, so I want a symbol before the number to describe that this is a currency. Okay, not just a number. Okay, not a decimal number. So how to fix it? Click it with the right button above the measure in this case, then click on format, then moving left, and on this scale there is a numbers and you can see the number over here. Just click once and then you can change for currency. For example, I will put it currency standard. It's because I'm Brazilian and my Tableau previously was working in Portuguese. I see Portuguese as my pattern, my standard, but I can change it, for example, for US. So let's see, English, United States, okay? So now means that this number will appear in US dollar. Okay, guys? So the second thing that we fixed is how the numbers appear. Now I wanna tell you how can we just change the color of the line. So I will click in color, for example, and then I can change for each color whatever you want. Okay, guys, you just have to select it and then you will see the results over here. Also, you can change the design of the line. For example, I want to introduce some marks. So as you can see over here, I just introduce some marks on my line, okay? And then I will put everything on blue. Okay, I will keep the blue. Okay, no, I changed my mind. So I will put it on black. Now I will put it on black. Guys, after just put it some marks that we did already, I will just click on size and then I can change how big, how gross is my line, okay? If you just click it here and change a little bit for left or right, you can see the line just adjusting a little bit in order to be more view friendly. I mean, you can see better. If this works for you, you can change over here this size, okay? And finally, I want to show you, we just edit the tooltip. We added some marks that we put it over here. We built the line chart and we changed the size. Now I want to show you how to change the colors. Instead just solid colors, I want to put it like a schema that change the colors depending of the number that I have on my line chart, okay? So how can we do it? We can just click on sales target over here. For example, I want to change the colors depend of how higher is the sales target. So I will drag the sales target over here and drop on color, okay, guys? So when you drop it on color, you will see that Tableau automatically, instantaneously create this schema over here. Then you can just click on this schema and then edit colors. And you can put some different style of colors. For example, I want a schema from black to gray. So will be more black if higher and less black, more white if in the beginning, with lower numbers, okay? Then you can apply and you will see now you have a schema in your line chart, okay? Then you can just click with the right button in each axis and then change if you want, just hide and unhide something. For example, I don't want to use the header over here. I don't want that Tableau show the header, so I will just click with the right on this axis over here and then unselect the axis. Now I'm not using anymore that axis, okay, guys? And then this is my final version of line chart. This is the chart that I want to introduce on my dashboard in the future. All right, so guys, that's how line chart works on Tableau. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to share this content, and also if you have any question, just leave in the comment below. It will be a pleasure to answer you. And also, guys, one more point, if you are interested in more content related to Tableau, there is a playlist here on YouTube that you can check. Tableau for beginners, a lot of videos related. There is also a Tableau advanced. Also, there is content related to Power BI or Alteryx. And if you are looking for outsourcing or consultants or in-person tutorials, there is a link in the description of this video with our website. If you click it once, you will be redirectly to our website and you can check all the services that we can provide to you as a company. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.